Hello and welcome back, folks. This is day 15 of my 100 days of practice. So I am still enjoying using these little stencils that I got at Staples for less than $5, and I think they're pretty fun. So if you've taken my Skillshare class, then you'll recognize the template that I use to encourage daily practice, whatever medium you're trying to learn, but it was when I was learning watercolor that I developed this template, and you can find out all the details about how to use it if you're on Skillshare by taking my watercolor journaling for beginners and artists class. Okay, so I had purchased some Winsor & Newton Aqua Green watercolor, and it was really pretty and very expensive, and the reason that I purchased it was because it was called Stylo. It's Stylo Polymer Turquoise. It doesn't have a pigment information, and so I of course didn't own that particular color, so I bought it. But when I got it, I realized that it's like a less pretty version of the St. Petersburg White Knights turquoise, which is a lovely shade of green, and it's just prettier. But here I'll be using the Winsor & Newton Professional Aqua Green color for the stems on this pot. And so I decided to go back to my love watercolor, and this is probably, if not my most favorite color, one of my most favorite colors for sure. It's up there in the top 3, and that is Rose Madder, I think. It's a Magella Mission Gold. It's PR 176, and that is my very favorite color, well, of them all, I think. And I like the turquoise as well, and I love that golden. That's, oh god, quinacridone gold. It's a core version. Oh, sorry about that shake. What happened was my light's above my head, and I hit it. That's always a problem, right? Yeah, so just practicing my art and trying to be consistent in this 100 days of practice. But I took a whole week off because, yeah, it just takes a lot to make these videos. This is number 15, but I did also film a couple more videos. One of them was I got the Magella Mission White class. It's a hybrid gouache and watercolor by Magella. Got that in, and I made a video when I was swatching out those colors, so you can look forward to that. So hey, thanks as always. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe, and if you're on Skillshare, take one of my classes. That supports my art as well. Thank you so much for watching my video. See ya, not tomorrow, but I'll see you later. Bye.